The realm of leafy greens is expansive and varied, presenting a wealth of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Among these nutritional powerhouses, often underestimated, are watercress and Mookiradai Keerai, Boerhavia Diffusa. Let's delve into their nutritional profiles and ascertain which one emerges triumphant in the clash of these green contenders. Watercress, this peppery, aquatic botanical showcases remarkable credentials. It stands out in vitamin K, vital for bone health and blood clotting, with an impressive 215% of the daily value, DV, per 100 g. Additionally, it is abundant in vitamin A, crucial for vision and immunity, 112% DV, and vitamin C, a potent antioxidant, 21% DV. Watercress also contributes a substantial amount of manganese, calcium, and iron, forming a well-rounded nutritional package. Mookiradai Keerai, this unassuming Indian green, also recognized as Punarnava, holds its ground admirably. It is notably high in iron, providing a substantial 88% of the DV per 100 g, making it a valuable asset for those grappling with anemia. Mookiradai Keerai also features a respectable amount of vitamin C, 18% DV, and calcium, 7% DV. Moreover, it has a traditional role in Ayurveda for its purported benefits in supporting kidney and liver health. The verdict, pronouncing a definitive winner, is challenging. Each green boasts distinctive nutritional strengths. Watercress excels in vitamin K and vitamin A, while Mookiradai Keerai delivers a robust iron payload. Ultimately, the optimal choice hinges on individual needs and preferences. Watercress suits those seeking bone health and vision support, whereas Mookiradai Keerai may prove beneficial for individuals with iron deficiency. Beyond the numbers. Taste, watercress presents a peppery kick, while Mookiradai Keerai offers a subtly earthy flavor. Experiment to determine which aligns with your palate. Availability, watercress is widely accessible in supermarkets, whereas Mookiradai Keerai may require specialty stores or online retailers. Culinary versatility, both greens can be relished raw in salads, cooked in stir-fries, or blended into smoothies. Remember, variety is pivotal. Integrating both watercress and Mookiradai Keerai into your diet, alongside an array of diverse greens, can optimize your intake of essential nutrients and satisfy your taste buds. So, embark on a journey into the world of leafy greens and uncover your personal nutritional champions.